Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. A natural example of this color can be seen in the vibrant plumage of a particular bird that goes by the same name. This color is typically produced by combining green and red in specific proportions, creating its distinct and lively hue. It's a shade of yellow. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Canary. 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 Canary is crucial in the context of design and nature, helping designers and artists to evoke feelings of cheerfulness, energy, and warmth. This bright yellow color is often used to create eye-catching elements in graphic design, fashion, and interior decorating. If you enjoyed learning about canary, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.